Welcome class 10th student. As you know, we are discussing about combination of resistance and we already completed some numericals. Okay. According to some demand of students and some questions asked by them, so we have to solve some more numericals. Let's suppose such type of question is given. R and it is given as like this. This is a little critical question. Okay. And I ask find the resistance between A and B. So don't go directly R3R. No, this is wrong answer. You have to go through this one. You better know in series current is same while in parallel currents different. Let's suppose from A current drawn is I current drawn through this one. So one branch move through that way and that current will be I1. So total current will drawn through that way. Current I will be leave the junction. So it become I minus I1. Total current was I1 moved through that way. The total current become I minus I1. Okay. For that junction, another current moves, that is I2. So another current will drawn here, I minus I1 minus I2. It's okay. Are you getting that? I minus I1 current drawn through that way. If I2 leave the junction, it will become I minus I1 minus I2. Again, I1 is joining here. If current is leaving the junction, it will become minus. If current is joining the junction, it become plus. Okay. So since I1 is joining here, so it will be plus. So we will get I1 plus and I1 minus will cancel out. We will get I minus I2. Okay. Because I1 plus and I1 minus cancel out. Again I2 will join here. So I2 join here, it will become plus. I2 plus and I2 minus cancel out and total current I. We are getting same current. I current drawn here and you are getting I, and it means our distribution is okay. What we notice here, we notice there for all resistances are current is I minus I1, resistances are current I minus I1 minus I2, resistances are current I minus I3. It means we are getting that for all resistances, currents are different. No doubt. We got the conclusion, if current are different, they are in parallel combination. So our answer become 1 upon R plus 1 upon R plus 1 upon R. LCM is R. It become R cancel 1 plus 1 plus 1. It become 3 upon R is equal to 1 upon R dash. So what are R dash? R dash is equal to R by 3. So this is the first numerical, little difficult numerical for you. We have to divide the current as like resistance. Okay. I current, I1 leave the junction, it become I minus I1. Till here, I2 current will leave, I is leaving here, leaving the junction, it become I minus I1 minus I2. Again I1 will join, it will become plus, I1 cancel out, we will get I minus I2. I2 again here joining the junction, it become plus, so I2 cancel, we will get I current draw, I current is given and we are getting I current, it means our current distribution is okay. And we will get, no doubt, every resistances have a different current. It means they are in parallel combination according to concept of physics and parallel combination. So answer become not R3R. No, it become R dash is equal to R by 3. Okay. Okay. Some more questions are there, and that is asked by some student. Let's suppose you are given as like this. This is, although this is not unit syllabus, but in competitive exam, R. Okay. If that question is given, its substitute could be, or its substitute will be here. We can write. Both are same diagram. If you expand it, you will get the same diagram. Resistances are R. If you are getting that type of diagram, both are same. Okay. So it is called Wheatstone bridge. In class 12 you will study Wheatstone bridge. This is called Wheatstone bridge. In Wheatstone bridge, P upon Q is equal to R upon S. Keep in mind PQ are the resistance, P upon Q is equal to R upon S, or R1 upon R2 is equal to R3 upon R4. If you are getting this condition is called Wheatstone bridge. So what we are getting here? Let's suppose this is P, this is Q, this is R, this is S. So we are getting P upon Q is equal to R upon S. Similarly here P upon Q is equal to R upon S. In that condition, from mid current becomes 0. It means no current drawn through that circuit or no current drawn through that one. Are you getting? This is very, very important point. If you are getting the condition of Wheatstone bridge, it means P upon Q is equal to R upon S. P, Q, R, S are the diagonal resistance. Understood na? So here P upon Q is equal to R upon S. Then from midpoint no current drawn. It means that resistance is useless. So directly we can go to, or this resistance will be useless. So directly current will drawn through this way. So they are in series. R, how much R? 2R. Similarly here one current will drawn through that way. It means RR, it become how much? 2R. And they are in parallel because current divide here. So 1 upon 2R plus 1 upon 2R. LCM become 2R. 1 plus 1. It become 2 upon 2R. 2 cancel out. We will get 1 upon R. So 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R dash. Okay. So R dash is equal to R. So equivalent resistance become R. Okay. Similarly here, if P upon Q is equal to R upon S, P, Q, R, S, no current drawn through mid one. It means it is useless for you. No current drawn, it means it will not counted. So directly series, it become 2R. Here in series, it become 2R and they are in parallel. So 2R in parallel, no doubt its answer will be 1 upon 2R plus 1 upon 2R. So it become 1 upon R. So R dash is equal to R. So our answer will be R. Okay. So this is the point for Wheatstone bridge which follow the condition P upon Q is equal to R upon S. Okay. Now let's suppose you are given as like this. In many books such type of question is given. Don't worry. R and I ask for the formula for A and B. So if you pull it, you will get same R and in midpoint you will get this R. This become A, this become B. You will pull this again. P upon Q is equal to R upon S. No current drawn through mid. So again it become R in series 2R, R in series 2R and answer become 1 upon 2R, 1 upon 2R, answer become what? R. So all are the same diagram. So this is the problems based on what you asked. Okay. So that's all for today. Next day we will study about division of voltage and current for different circuit. Okay, that's all.